Alright, good afternoon everyone. Um, I am Ide and I'm a member of Careers Designers. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a clipping mask, something like look like a clipping mask, alright, on Figma. So I'm going to be showing you how that it's quite possible to have something like that on Figma. Yes, although the real feature of it's majorly known by graphic designers, alright, that do work with Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, and I'm not so sure if the feature also is on CorelDRAW. But nonetheless, we're actually looking at it if it's quite possible to have something like that, because I and my team, or my colleague, we found out that we could use Figma for quite a lot of things, and there are some nice features that are on Figma which we can just try to just maneuver things and manipulate things just to just ensure that we have a good design for ourselves. So quickly I'm going to show you how I came about this, the move of God, the move of God, the real thing which is called the move of God. Alright, so this flyer was actually made for a church, alright, for a church, but that's not really our main emphasis for today. So we are just actually talking about how we can achieve something like this. So let me take you on the journey. So yes, you are welcome back. So quickly, let me just quickly show you. So let's just try to just do something. Alright, so you are welcome. So let's get back to business. So alright, so this is the move of God. So I used this. So the name of the font I used is Planet Gamers Demo. Planet Gamers Demo. You can do it to check it on dafont.com. Then you can download it. So just come right here to Fill. So just add. So one of the beautiful thing about Figma is that you can add as many colors to anything you try to write. You can add as many fill. You can add as many fill as you can. Right. So let's see. You can add as many as you can. As many as you can. So just come here on this plus icon. Hit it, alright. Just once. Sorry about that. Then hit here. So we see that you can actually change the color. So see, you can do a lot of things with it. You can do awesome things with it. So let's get back. So alright, so come back. So you can just quickly go to your gallery and then pick any image that you can find, alright. I don't think we can use this look art, very obvious. Okay, let's pick this yellow. This yellow will do quite a lot of justice. Yes, so just come here, so hold and drag into this, copy it here, and boom, you have this. So you can see that by default the second field that we are having is having an opacity of 20. That is what Figma does by default for us, or for you rather. So you can just try to just increase it to the level at which you want it to be. Just increase it, just increase the opacity of it all. So here he is. So all I just simply did was I increased the opacity to 100%. So that's why you easily see what is actually inside of the text. So you can decide to turn this off, see how it looks like, and you can decide to turn it on. So you see that there's no difference. Alright, there's no difference at all. So this is how simple it is, how you can do something that look like a clipping mask. Although exactly on Figma we don't really have it as clipping mask, but then one of the things about the design field is that there is nothing that is impossible. We try to manipulate things, try to manipulate elements and what have you. So that's how I was able to do this. I was actually designing the flyer for the church until I got inspiration to do something like this, and I was just trying to just play around it if I could get a clipping mask, because knowing fully well that there's nothing of such on Figma. So I decided to do and manipulate my way around it, and I came about this. I decided that let me share it with everyone so that every other person too that uses Figma to also do designs can also try to do this. So thank you guys. So we can't wait till we see beautiful things you could do. So try replicating this. Ensure you tag us. You can check on us on Instagram, and you can also check on us on YouTube, even as you are currently watching. Alright, so do it to hit the like button and subscribe to us so that you get more videos. And in case you are wanting anything that you need for us to do, maybe a design, you can reach out to us on the comment section and get back to you. Thank you.